Hi everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi celebrity stories. Namhlanje sikhuluma ke ngoNdlunkulu wethu bakithi wakwaZulu. uNdlunkulu ke unomzamo Myeni wakwaZulu ongu number 3 kwisithembu ke noma ke emakhosikazi noma kuyindlunkulu zesilo ke uMusuzulu kaZolthini. Oh guys, kusho ukuthi ke family yakhe kade menzela ke i-bridal shower so ke ube sebhala ke lo myalezo ke edlulisa ke emndenini wakathi ngiyabonga kakhulu emndenini wami oMdolomba. Wathi I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to my family oMdolomba for the beautiful bridal party you organized for me. Your love, support, unity and effort truly touched my heart and made this moment unforgettable. Thank you for standing with me, celebrating me and honoring this important chapter of my life. I am deeply grateful and proud to be part of such a loving family. May God bless you abundantly. Wathi ngiyabonga kakhulu, ngiyanithanda. Basi beyakhomenta ke abantu ke la kuma comment section basho ukuthi cha nabo ke bamthanda ke uNdlunkulu, bathi nje bamthanda intende, bathanda ukuthobeka kwakhe. Bakithi bayabona ukuthi ke okaMdolomba cha uNdlunkulu ngampela lo ke abamdingayo. Bathi Ndlunkulu kaMdolomba siyabonga kakhulu, umuhle kakhulu. You are beautiful my queen. Mdolomba umuhle, wow, extremely beautiful, waze wathandwa. Siyakuthanda mama wesizwe, welcome. Wamuhle Nizim, queen indeed, waze wamuhle sis. Ziningi izinto ezayikhulunywa ngesikhathi ke uNdlunkulu ke ezocacela ke isilo, abantu bekhomenta ke especially into kuyiyona yona ngampela eyenza ukuthi abantu bangabe bengamthandisisi ngalesa sikhathi ukuthi bezothiwa ke uneyingane. Yazi ukuthi kuyistigma nyana especially la kwaZulu ukuthi umuntu especially umuntu oyinkosi ukuthi athathe ke umuntu osuke eseneyingane kuba into nje ngazothi ke ayikho right, but ke isilo sethathe cha sona silandela inhliziyo yaso, asinandaba ukuthi ubani ke uthini. So nokaMdolomba bakithi uyabonakala ukuthi cha uyamthanda impela ke ubaba ke noma ke isilo sethu uMisuzulu kaZolthini, futhi ke uyimisele ngokuvusa lo wamuzi wakwaZulu. So ke abantu ke ngiyabona ukuthi cha ngama comment bakhombisa ukumthanda impela nokumemukela manje. Bathi ke ingwe idla ngamabala, athi enye inkondlo sasiyidla sasiyisho esikwenze ithi naleke engiyikhethile idle ngawo amabala. So what means the bridal shower guys, she is beautiful. Yabona uMdolomba okaMyeni muhle, she is beautiful, ume kahle. Ngiyabona ukuthi yini yathatha isilo la lo muntu wesifazane muhle bakithi. So congratulations to her, siyambongela nathi kwi family yakhe ke ngomcimbi ke omuhle ke kangaka. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and let's celebrate with her. Bye.